Well, two, baby. Only two. Chibaba, the different one thing has. Okay, please. Let me give you. I'll give you time to give us. Okay, looking at. God is speaking. What is doing here? You see the finances we are delivering to God. It's like me as a pastor. If I want to get there, then I'm going to to check on what was happening. So when he came to the temple, he questioned with the priest and the Levites concerning the gifts that he found there. And he could tell them, and the answer where the chief priest answered him. And he said, since the people began to bring the offerings into the house of the Lord, when you have had enough to eat, and you have plenty left. We have had enough to eat and have left plenty. The CFO is trying to present maybe within 5-15 minutes to 10 after I have finished today. And don't know what he's going to say. I don't know. I cannot say. I don't know how the figures are going to show. I don't know. He's going to say the social conference has been more than enough, and we are even plenty to support the conference beyond the sector. I do not know. I think, but in the days of the Hezekiah, if not only Hezekiah, the leaders saw the need for people to be faithful. The people responded until they had more than enough and the plenty left over. When we result of conference, they arise and they reach this position. If everyone was giving like you and your wife, you and your husband, would the result of conference have more than enough and a plenty to give as appropriations or elsewhere? I know when I don't know how this financial country will also. Many financial I'm seeing 3 people praying for me. But listen to the sad reality. Listen to this sad reality. Here is the sad reality. This man says, I knew the price of 10%. As I feel a child is first steps. His first steps are not his last. These are very his best. But they are a fine beginning. So is the time. Tithing is for many. The first is not that step of stewardship. I don't. To many people, it's like the first steps of a toddler. Please let me when a child is getting out of work, do they go straight like this? No. Sometimes when you look at a child who is very bored, compare the people 10 times. Like a child who is ready to walk. This is true. And how many people are still children despite this practice? He said, on the bicycle of giving. Okay, meaning that when you die, you are just only to true giving. That's not in the right, but just still in courage. Okay. By the way, how come is also not there? And unfortunately, I say, they don't even any ground of the telling time. How is it that someone can achieve? How do you know the fun and to say we have a word about each other? My dear brothers and sisters, I know I think if we are not giving our telling time, how will we be committed to number 2, generous offering giving? How can we buy Tibana? What I was saying, we need to be committed to giving generous offerings. I don't want people who are outside there who are drinking whatever they are drinking that hear what I'm going to say now. And they come out of the way, but but also, listen carefully. I don't mind having how much to Jamaican but you could never because from 2020 March. What was 2021? Ufikala 2021. Has gone down. I don't know. I'm not asking. Have you seen another who has got the gift offerings? I don't know. Continue about. We need to learn from the Macedonian read one translation puts 2 Corinthians 8:1-5 this way. My friends, we want to know that the churches in Macedonia have shown us how kind God is. And excuse the Macedonians were also having that time. But they were trying to give generously. Simply because they wanted it to. Then we continue again. Listen to how it ends. That's what I mean. They even asked and begged us to let them have the joy of giving their money for God's people. Somebody. They did more than we had hoped. Men and they gave themselves space to the Lord. And the next message would make them to do. My dear brothers and sisters, my brothers and sisters, when are we going to reach this standard of giving? and asking the pastor, what is your name? Pastor, please, Pastor, and allow us to give and have the joy of supporting God this way. When are we going to visit this pastor? When you give an excuse for not giving, you are making a prayer to God for Him to remove that excuse that makes you not to be faithful. When you say, my salary is very small, if it was big, you are making a prayer to God that God take away this little salary because it is of no use. From your citizen. The pastor was visiting. Remember, and he discovered as he was waiting that my family was not ready. So he started visiting. Right. We have and when he visited, they gave an excuse. They chatted with the pastor to pray. He was transferred. After many years, he came back. The family was not ready for him. Again, he visited. And when he visited, they asked them, do you remember that the once past year? They said yes. You promised to be returning time, but now I see that you are no longer returning time. And then they say, Pastor, we know, we understand. But you know our children are now in college. University. If we were not able to return time, how it would be. Especially that we have made the Lord as a person. Then the pastor said, you are saying that you have many children. They said yes. They said yes, sure. I'm now kneeling down, and I invite you to follow me. But as you kneel down, you mention the number of children that I should bring before God, so that God can allow them, so that you remain with you will make you to be faithful to God. Why would you want to charge a man who is about to get the bad people? This is like about somebody. Tell me. The names of the people. They say we understand first. Never you yes, supported. Say Dulanka Nesha in the totally trying. Kiss one say it's that which gets promoted gets supported. Several Nesha totally trying. Kiss one say it's so there is no oh Lesotho. Will not be realized. They take us from government. It will always be a dream which never comes. Until we do what we are saying. And until all of us promote this. If the records I see is right, if the records I see is right and correct, and if the records I see is correct, since 2018, I have never seen this sort of conference. My records currently. I've never seen a sort of conference having a tithe of more than 700,000. I think more in sort of conferences, they funding home 50 staff. Followers should be making more than 700. Followers should be and I have seen the bonus ones. Yes, I'm saying 50. I don't know what I can do. I just want to so full the sit down. Mahula Supile Kapa, Arrobin, and eat. I want to give that the Lord has got to bless us. I don't know how I'm about to chair. Maybe it's the number of people participating in pretending time. Most someone came out of there, I have to buy some. God has deposited in us through his people. More than I'm doing, and follow when he comes away. work here without embarrassment. So that one day we can talk about the Lesotho we all want. We need to finish all this work in the world. We are tired of living in this world. It's time to go home. But we can't go home until the way is. Are you tired of being here? Are you tired of being in the world? Can I hear you yes or no? Show it by being faithful. Can you give us a to sit down? Did you receive any lie?
I sent a message about some answered me by 2:30 and some 30.
Some say what? Thank you. Others say it. Amen. So what does that mean? The message was, please remember to put God first. And they say thank you in the end. Why does that imply? They are going to get it. Yes. Sister, did you get any reply? Amen. May those lips belong.
I am laughed and said, my children, my child, they were going to send me the similar message. And she laughed. The other God help me. Amen. Please did not reply.
That's okay. They will still.
So they are
Somebody say, God do what? God help me. Why does that say you? Even with the money in pay on Tuesday, say that. But they might have not been. They may not be returning. That's why now they're saying, hey, thank you so much. God do what? Help me. You and send all your members who will supply the returns that we will have. They were dealing with the check. It is my prayer, brothers and sisters. But we shall help the Lesotho that we all want. Where everything is working well. Where we will not be where we are today. Where we will be better than it is today. But it was about to happen. Do your part. Amen. If there's one man that is, mine is perfect, then I sit down. Don't worry. If there's one man that is really pushing toward, is that man. If the Lesotho conference remain going down like this after this, I don't think I'm also happy. I can if things don't make better, when you have people make better. That means the punches is throwing, punches are throwing. Yeah, use it. My prayer is, and that man is doing so much. Yeah, I said it's a good let us see growth becoming perfect. Now that you are on my way to my seat, let me say this. How you say yeah, no, that's not helpful. It's not that we don't have much. God is not stressed. You are my business. I have my own agendas that I'm pushing. And my priorities, what is there? Once I say another one, I don't like the day you put God first, but something that would be what the truth would not be the same. The truth will take us. I think it saddens my heart and over this report comes to my desk. You won't kill me if I tell you this. I don't know what I have to the Lesotho when or not always. What's down there? Down there, there are times I don't want to mention other people. Are we together? I didn't want the men of God to speak to this way.